every rider should have an action camera in their kit bag to capture those magic moments like these. I never leave for the track without one ready to roll, and today is no different.
This is Kong, one of the biggest, baddest dirt bikes on planet Earth, and this is the Insta360 Go Ultra, one of the teeniest, tiniest action cameras in the world, and today we're going to see what we can do when we combine these two wild pieces of technology.
Like I said, we use action cameras a lot in our videos, so I'm super pumped to team up with Insta360, who have just sent us their latest little camera, which we are going to have some fun with in this episode. And I need you guys to help me decide which of these new camera angles is the coolest. But first, let me tell you a bit more about this little camera.
So as you can see, this camera is tiny. It's like the size of a box of Tic Tacs. It only weighs 53 grams. It's magnetic and there's so many mounting options. We're going to see how many different places we can put it today on the bike and on me. So give me some guesses. How many different places do you think we can stick this today? Let me know your guesses in the comments below. But let's get cracking. Let's go riding. The 500cc beast here today. We're testing out a couple of new camera angles using the brand new Insta360 Go Ultra. And I might have just found the ultimate vlog setup here with it on my peak like this. So a really cool feature of the Insta360 Go Ultra is its versatility. You can either use it as the teeniest, tiniest action camera in the world, or you can throw it in the pod here and use it as a more traditional vlog camera or a more traditional action camera. There's even a screen on the back here that you can flip up as well. Now, a camera of this size in yesteryear would have had some limitations in the type of formats it could shoot, the resolution it could shoot, but not anymore. The footage you're watching right now is gorgeous 4K footage, which is incredible really for a camera this size. And we're also filming at 50 frames per second as well. So one of the biggest upgrades for this model over its predecessor is the runtime. It's gone from 38 minutes to 70 minutes in its standalone form, or if you put it in the pod, 200 minutes of runtime of recording time in the pod. Awesome. And if you want to top up the battery between your motos, it'll take, it's fast charging, so it'll take just 12 minutes to fully charge the battery, standalone, or 18 minutes to fully charge the camera and the pod at the same time. Run! Wicked. Now let's get experimental. Let's work out some cool angles to use this thing in. Run.
With the camera, we also received a few different mounting options, so we decided to get creative with some fun new angles that we've never tried before. It's safe to say we put the Insta360 Go Ultra in places we've never been able to attempt. And I also had the benefit of using the screen on the back of the pod to check my angles before we hit the track. And of course you can put this camera on the top of your helmet like a traditional action camera as well. Let's have a look how this footage turned out.
if you watched some recent videos on the channel, you might have seen that Insta360, Insta360 have actually come on board as a channel sponsor. So this is a sponsored video, all about the new Insta360 Go Ultra. But I genuinely am very impressed by this camera. Very cool to see a company like Insta360 getting involved, supporting us, supporting this channel, but also just supporting motocross and dirt bikes in general. So a big thank you guys to Insta360 for supporting us. And if you've enjoyed what you've seen today, you think this footage looks cool, and you want to go and have the most fun, then go out and have a look at the Insta360 Go Ultra. As always guys, my name's Max. You've been watching 999 Laser. Till next time, I'll be seeing you out on the track.